The ceiling for blue-collar workers, rocket welding. Be proud but not complacent. The majority of welders are lifted by others. I feel that this kind of job is very hard. It is harmful to the eyes and the skin. But today, the welder I will introduce is very impressive, specialized in welding rocket engines. Gao Fenglin is a senior national technician. This is Global 5G, curious and full of energy. It is the Long March series of rockets. It is the most important carrier rocket in China. The launch of the spacecraft. You can't do it without a rocket engine because it is the heart of the rocket. And Gao Fenglin is the welder of the rocket heart. 40% of the rocket launched, he made all of it, known as welding in China. The first man in the heart of a rocket, and in the eyes of many people, is the profession of welder. More of them are technical students, trained in professional skills. If you study well, you can start your own business. But Gao Fenglin loved what he was doing. Being a blue-collar worker and welding rockets is very difficult. There are only few people in the country that fit for the job. The most difficult part to weld. It's in the nozzle of the rocket. Having to go through 30,000 times, precise welding operations can be completed. Each spot weld has only a few 0.5 millimeters, and welding errors in the process cannot exceed 0.1 seconds. Any little flaw could have costed an irreparable disaster. Each work must be guaranteed and consistent from beginning to end. Consistency should be perfect. There should be no blowhole at all or trachoma. Engineers are required to maintain a high level of tension to completely absorbed in during welding work. Sometimes it even needs to be maintained. You can't take your eyes off for 10 minutes to complete the welding operation. It can be said that the difficulty of exceeding human limits is a really great power, craftsmanship.